Hey everybody, this is Michael from Barton Musical Circuits, and today I'm showing you a new layout for the voltage to rhythm module. For reference, this is the layout from 10 years ago when the module first started, which I did a video for this a while ago, or it might not have been this particular one. I've done a few builds of this, and all the features are still there on the new one, but as you can see, it's a large amount of wires on this. So many, in fact, that it's like covering up components on here. So it would be difficult to get a voltage reading from this TL072 there. The other big difference besides the wires is you can see here there are individual transistors that are used as buffers. Sorry, that's a little out of focus. This camera, it has a little trouble autofocusing on videos. And then this is the new layout. So still 3 knobs, 4 switches, same number of buttons and everything, but it is very few wires on the back. And these are short enough that you can use clipped resistor leads for most of the wiring. I think I only had to cut 4 actual wires to do this. It's 2 circuit boards that are like sandwiched on top of each other. And there's a hole for a spacer if you want to make it perfectly secure if you're traveling a lot with it. I didn't bother with this one. And instead of the transistor buffers, it uses a CD4050 CMOS buffer. So it's a lot less soldering to install that versus all those individual transistors and their resistors to bias them. So yeah, it's an easier build that should be a little better performance, less chance of things going wrong. And it'll be the same price. Yeah, and I'm going to do a little jam with this too. So if you haven't used the V2R before, you'll kind of see how it works. And yeah, I'm messing with a new recording setup today too. So this is also me testing out whether I can get, nicer audio for these YouTube videos. Cool, so I'll set this up. Oh, and one thing also, I drilled these holes kind of wide on here because I initially bought some like keycaps to put on the ends of these tactile switches, which this uses tactile switches instead of the push button switches like you'd see on this module. And so far they've had a lot less bounce to them. So they are, performing a little bit better, but I've had some trouble with the caps on the ends of them either sticking to the sides of the hole, or if I drill the hole too wide, them like falling out. So I'm just using it. These are like a longer tactile switch and I'm using it without. And so far it's been pretty good. These holes are actually about the size of my fingertip. So it's pretty comfortable where I'm not like touching a panel all day. Like that can kind of hurt your fingertip to be pushing into the metal like that. But yeah, so this is a patch where I'm going to be using the analog drum, the auto sequencer, the decaying analog noise. I've been repatching it a lot, so these cables are kind of a mess. And then a couple of filters for that stuff. And the auto sequencer is going to some oscillators that are off screen in my my other cabinet. So yeah, I'm gonna start pressing some buttons. And this this knob here is the sample knob. So as I press that, that's gonna change what rhythm is going to be going there on an 8-bit. It's like an 8-bit number that it changes the voltage to, and then that's equal to a rhythm. So yeah, thank you for watching. I could do this for a while. Hope that was informative and you enjoyed it. And I've got more designs coming out in the future. So thanks for watching.